Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, persons could find themselves in trouble with the law for circulating graphic images or fake news online if certain proposals for amending Jamaica's Cybercrimes Act are accepted by Parliament. The proposals were made by the Ministry of National Security during this afternoon's sitting of the Joint Select Committee reviewing the 2015 law. Now, Senior Policy Director in the Cyber Intelligence and Incident Response Branch at the Ministry, Michael Morgan, said the law should be amended to address images which are circulated which can have serious psychological impact on recipients.
We're put into the committee is to amend Section 9, subsection 1, which treats with the use of computer for malicious communication, to include data of a particularly graphic nature, such as violent events resulting in death or serious injury or the maiming of a person or persons, which may be grossly offensive or could cause psychological harm to a person.
Mr. Morgan also noted that the Act does not address new forms of cybercrimes. He suggested several new offenses, including unauthorized use of copyright, phishing, cyber terrorism, and withholding electronic communication which is erroneously received. Mr. Morgan said the issue of publishing false information needs to be addressed by the law, especially given experiences from the COVID-19 pandemic.
False publication over a digital platform with the intent to commit or facilitate the commission of an offense. False publications have led to misinformation, outrage through deception, incitement of violence, and in some instances, physical, financial, and/or reputational damage. I recall from the last meeting of this committee, there was a